Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timmy Kenza James. For new and old subscribers, you're all welcome to today's tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to draft a flounce pattern. So let's get into it, guys. So guys, for our flounce pattern, we'll be needing a pattern paper. You don't need too much depending on how long you want your flounce to be. That depends on where you want to be fixing that. So this paper I have here is okay. Is an old pattern paper that I've used for previous video, but since I have these remaining, that's what I'm using. So you need a pair of scissors to cut out your pattern, your marking pen, and of course your pattern master. So the first thing I'll be doing on the midpoint of my pattern paper, I'm going to draw a horizontal line across my pattern paper like so, right? So I'm going to find the midpoint vertically and make a vertical line as well across the pattern paper, right? So I'm making another vertical line. This is what you would want to do from the beginning. So even if you're cutting it direct on your fabric, you're going to be doing the same thing, right? So you're going to measure, let's say 2 inches, or let me do 1.5 like so. So you measure 1.5 round like so. Marking my 1.5 inches like this. So I'm going to just go ahead and connect the point. Now I'll stop the connection midway, right? So I'm going to continue from here. Now from this point, what you're going to be marking is the length of your flounce. So assuming you want a 6 inches flounce, you go ahead and measure 6 inches now and continue going round, right, with the same 6 inches. If you want a 3 inches, you mark, but because I'm just doing this for illustration, I'm going to do 2 inches, right? So I'm going to mark 2 inches like so round this point. So by the time I get here, I'm going to go ahead and connect, right? So I'm connecting from here straight to this point, right? Then from here I'll go ahead and connect like so. Up to here. Then I'll continue marking 2 inches round. Don't forget to use the length of the flounce that you wish. It doesn't have to be 2 inches. 2 inches is just for reference purposes. So you continue. So this is how you keep on going round until you exhaust your paper or you meet the length of your desired flounce, right? So I'm going to stop here and cut the flounce so that you can see. So from here you can see, because it's a paper, you're not seeing the effect that much, but if it were to be a fabric, you can even see, even as though it's a paper, you can see it's already folding up, right? So that's how to cut your flounce. So when you do this on fabric, you see the effects more. So this is it. This is how to cut your flounce pattern, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I have a new video up on the channel. See you in my next tutorial, guys. Bye.